I think, first of all, hello guys.
It's Jasmine Perisman, guys.
I think prior to actually making the film, yung nga, naging problema kasi scheduling and making sure that all the dates would fit right. Pero in terms of accepting the role, when I first read the script, I was already game to go. I gave her my apprehensions. I told her what I knew my management probably wouldn't like, but that I was willing to be in the film. So, few weeks later, after we finally found the perfect dates and we all agreed on the scheduling na, we started production, and it was easy actually. It was, I guess it was breezy because we have this weird connection and our brains just know what we want from each other in terms of how to do the scene, what expression does Alex need. Sometimes nga, wala kang direction, she'll just tell me, okay, think of this quote, or think it's this day of the week and it's the afternoon, but it's like nighttime and it's raining hard and it needs to be sunny in my head. So, mga ganun yung usapan namin ni Direk, and nasagot ko na yata yung tanong. Kasi na yung sinabi ko.
I think baka yung audiences natin meron silang gustong itanong sa cast and director natin. So I would like to go to this part of the theater and ask our audience if meron silang, meron bang gusto magtanong kay Jasmine and kay Direk? Meron ba? Ayan, meron tayong question here. Hi.
Hello!
This is for Direk Sam.
What's your name?
Al.
Hi, Al.
Sorry guys, wala si Drake. I'm not sure if you would like to answer. You have a guess. Nanood na ba siya?
Si Jess. Sold out daw. Sabi ko, sold out. Sorry, wala akong magagawa. Joke lang. Sa, I think, Monday or Tuesday siya.
We're seeing a lot of women inside the theater. What can you say na parang dominated ng women yung film mo? And,
Yun nga, I've been asked this question a lot. Parang, why did you choose to have an all-girl crew? Or a mostly all-girl crew? And yung lagi ko lang answer is, why not? I mean, it's about time na tayo naman yung
Okay, so any more other questions? Ayan. After this, we'll entertain one more.
Great question, please. Hi, good evening. For this part, this is for Jazz and for the director. First, Jazz, how did you prepare for the basic scene? I've seen you during your transit time, so this character is very different. And then for the director, I guess also if Jasmine, you can answer the question, please. If you will be on Alex shoes, would you rather cross the line between being friends or more than friends with your best friends or something like that?
That's the ultimate hugot question, I think. Okay, Jasmine, answer. Will you or will you not cross the line?
Teka, may first question pa siya. Okay, hindi ko pa naisip answer ko sa second. Pero yung first question, how did I prepare? Prepare for the kiss. Pinatapawisan natin. Yung kiss, actually, hindi ko kasi tinatanong kung anong araw siya gagawin. Kasi ayaw siyang isipin. Ayaw gawing big deal yung kiss. Kasi it's not a big deal to kiss, right? So, gusto ko lang, when I know na mangyayari na yung eksaktong eksena, doon ko naiisipin. Na parang, syempre, when you're about to go in for your first kiss, pinaplano mo ba yan ng ilang weeks? Diba? Syempre, you just go with your gut feeling. Diba? Oh. And you go with your gut feeling. So, sabi ko, sige, isipin ko na lang. Tapos nung parang 2 scenes before the actual kiss, sabi ko, oh my God. Okay, kaya ko to. Tapos when we were there na, sineset up na, it just felt natural. And the music that she played helped really well. Actually, we communicated a lot through music. So, okay, wala namang specific specific preparation. I guess I just let it be natural as possible for myself. And then for the second one, and yun, would you cross the line? Ganon, or would you keep it as best friends? Well, kasi if you never take the leap of faith, you'll never know.
Yun nga, well, I guess, nagawa ko na siya. Yeah, but you only regret the things you don't do in life. So, yeah.
Okay, so lesson of the night, courage. I think we will entertain one more question.
Let's
Last
do a
was
couple
last.
more.
Game kami! Game kami!
If you ever more questions, you can. And you gave me.
Okay, sige. We have one more.
Hi, Jasmine. So,
Hello.
batchmate from St. Paul.
Oh my God! Hi!
Ali,
Polinians, of course.
Ali, Lee, and Laksaman Adea.
Oh, hi guys! Hey, thanks for
So, my
watching.
question is, what can you say?
Ano? What a friend! What a friend! Uy, Polinians! Make us proud!
What can you say to lesbians out there?
What can I say?
Both of you.
Ako, shit. Just love. Who cares about what people say, you know? If you're in the right moment, if you're not harming anyone, if you're going with what you feel, just love. Let the people talk, let them say what they want, but, you know, how can you fight what you're feeling? And in terms of the different aspect naman, huwag naman tayo mag-focus sa love in terms of being your own person and being confident with it. Just be who you are. Sabi nga ni Don, di ba? Just tell yourself it's okay. It's not a problem. It's not a sickness. It's not anything that all these other people are saying. It's just who you are, so be okay with it. So that everyone will be okay with it as well. Guys, proud ba? Pwede na. Uy, meron pa dun!
Yes, pero mag-entertain muna tayo. May isa pang hugot dito.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I am curious kung matutuloy ba yung storya kung magkakaroon siya ng